Hey, P. Let's see that mustache.
Cheese.
It looks really good.
Show me your mustache.
Cheese.
Are you a big man now?
Yes.
What did you just do? You just went to the potty without telling anyone. You just went by yourself because you knew you needed to go. High five. Nice.
And now you have a mustache, and what else do you have? Like a big man. Oh, big fancy teeth?
And a computer, right? Where's your computer?
Wear your mustache and play on your computer?
Just like Daddy and Pop Pop and your lazy boy?
And your busy boy.
Pull the red button at the bottom.
Alright, P. Say bye-bye to the video camera.
Bye. Cheese.